Now, viewers, we are taking your focus to Karachi next, wherein the death toll has been mounting in the Karachi fire blaze. What we are learning is that 14 are already reportedly dead in the Karachi Gul Plaza blaze. Rescue operations are on for over 33 hours now to douse the very flames. And the report came in from Karachi, which says that the death toll in the Gul Plaza blaze keeps on climbing, with fatalities now having reached 14 after the rescuers managed to douse the inferno after roughly 33 hours of arduous effort. So that's more than a day's time which it took to indeed control the blazing inferno, with parts of the building being completely left in collapse and uproar over the alleged shortcomings in the authorities' response. The cooling process is underway, with the rescuers making way into the building by somehow cutting windows and demolishing the walls with hammers, with whatever equipments they have. They're trying to make their way through inside. But yes, these are the visuals, viewers, that we're bringing to you from that very spot in Karachi, where rescue operations are still on for 33 hours to douse the flames. So these are some of the voices of the victims and their families who are still in search of certain people who are missing in numbers at this given point of time in this very fire incident. Shivani Sharma joining us on the broadcast with more details on this now. Shivani, a very good afternoon to you. This is quite a tragic incident that's come about in this very Gul Plaza in Karachi that we are in fact tracking since January 17th night. But you know, right now what we are hearing is after 33 hours, the blaze has finally been doused. More importantly, there are a number of people who are still missing, and the death toll is also on the rise. Bring us more details as to what are you learning.
See, this building is completely gutted into fire. This was a three-story building, the Gul Plaza Market, that happens to be in the heart of Karachi. On Saturday night, this fire incident was reported, and since then, the building kept on burning for complete 36 hours now. And 70 people are missing, while 14 dead bodies have been recovered. The fire has totally damaged this building, and now the fire operations have stopped. Now the operations are there to rescue whoever is can be alive in that building. But the situation is pathetic. 70 people missing. Shreya, 14 dead bodies recovered. And this was the fire extinguishing reaction that was quite pathetic in Karachi, because, since the fire alarm, since the fire call was given, there was action, but since then, for complete 36 hours, the fire could not be doused. And now, when the building is totally set ablaze, there's nothing left inside the building. Around 1,000 shops were there. They are completely damaged. 70 people are missing. So people are now looking for their family members who were around that market area in Gul Plaza in Karachi on Saturday evening. Since then, the fire could not be doused. Now, the only operations that are being taken over are hammering these walls to look for the dead bodies inside this particular Gul Plaza market. Yeah.
So from amid the ruins, they're trying to find whatever trace of life is left from this completely collapsed market now, right from the heart of Karachi, as Shivani was bringing us those updates. Thank you, Shivani, for bringing us all those details of what the current status of the rescue operations are in Karachi.